Good morning, my beautiful, beautiful chickens. In this video, we're going to talk about raising your score. My name is Katsi Severson. I'm the inventor of the Severson Method, a scientifically proven way to learn anything fast. It's early in the morning and this is more of an off-the-cuff video, kind of like my thoughts about what I see happening and from all the DMs that I'm reading from you. I get them all the time and it's not even 8 a.m. right now and I'm already recording a video for you. That's how much I love my YouTube tribe. And I just quickly want to show you guys the sunrise because the sky is absolutely beautiful. Just want to quickly and slowly shift you guys over. Check this out. So pretty. All right, enough of the prettiness. Back to me. All right, so I get so many DMs from you as any exam is approaching, as the SAT is approaching or ACT is approaching, it doesn't matter. I get so many DMs all the time about like, well, I just don't know how to raise my score. Can you help me? I don't know how to raise my score. And I think that this is such a flawed way of thinking that I can't not address this. The first thing I always answer is, first thing, stop being confused. Your brain wants you to remain confused about the way to raise your score. Because as long as you're confused and you don't know how to raise your score, guess what? You don't have to do much. You can keep browsing the Instagrams and you can keep just haphazardly watching some videos. You don't have to have any system. There is no cognitive pain. Cognitive means anything that has to do with thinking. There's no cognitive pain involved. As long as you're confused, you know, I don't know. I don't know how to raise my score. In this video, I want to give you a formula. I want you to get unconfused because raising your score is really simple. It comes down to the formula, and I want you to write this down. Take out a piece of paper, and the formula has 3 components. Component number 1 is the number of questions on the test. Component number 2 is the number of mistakes you make. And component number 3 is your score. This is your first component. We're going to subtract the number of your mistakes and we're going to get your score. So now ask yourself, what do I need to do to raise my score? Which portion of the equation do I need to focus on? You got to focus here. And not just the number of mistakes, but rather the type of mistakes. A lot of you are reaching out and asking you for like, the best book to read. And if we're a week away from the test, there's an SAT coming up in about 6 days. If there's a test coming up in 6 days, you probably shouldn't be working on the book. You shouldn't be ordering the book or getting the book for the first time. You should be now at the stage of your prep where you're going through your error log. I have a video on the error log. You should be going through your errors from the previous recent practice tests that you've taken, and you want to focus and obsess over your errors. You want to look at the answer choice that you've chosen, and you want to understand why is this answer choice 100% wrong, and why is the answer choice that is correct is 100% correct. SAT and the ACT are both standardized tests. They follow a very specific formula. You got to unpack that formula and you have to understand for yourself why what you answered is wrong and then why what the right answer is 100% correct. That's all there is. Nothing to be confused about. Of course, it's wonderful to work with a coach. That's why I always recommend working with someone. If you want to check out how you can work with me, go to seversonmethod.com. But even if you don't have anybody, that is the place to start. And even if you just went through all of your mistakes, even if you don't understand at the beginning, why something is wrong, why something is correct, do a Google search. There's plenty of information on Reddit, but that's where you have to start. As long as you stay confused, there's always going to be time to go on YouTube, to go on Instagram and DM someone. So this is my tough love for you chickens. I believe in you, and please stay unconfused. I'll talk to you later. Bye.